Hello guys, welcome to the class once again. Today we are doing our worksheet practicing past continuous tense. In the last video we have learned past continuous tense. Today we are doing some more practice. So here we go. First number, okay, worksheet on past continuous tense. As we know that past continuous tense means was, were plus ing. Past continuous का मतलब was, were के बाद क्या लगाएंगे? First form ing. I was going, she was playing, it was raining, they were talking rubbish, right? So first number, here we go. When I reached home, जब मैं घर पहुंचा, वो सो रही थी. क्या होगा? She was sleeping, right? When I reached home, she was sleeping, right? Number 2, when he called me up, जब उसने मुझे फोन किया था, I dash write a book, मैं किताब लिख रहा था, right? When he called me up, I was writing a book, right? The action was going on. मैं किताब लिख रहा था. I was writing a book, right? Third number, when we reached there, जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे, when we reached there, हर कोई हमारा इंतजार कर रहा था. Everybody singular, right? Everybody was waiting, right? Wait means waiting, right? When we reached there, everybody was waiting, right? Fourth number, what does it do when I call you up? आप क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने आपको फोन किया था? आप उस टाइम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने फोन किया था, right? What were you doing? You means were, not was. What were you doing when I call you up? What were you doing when I call you up? आप क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने फोन किया था, right? Fifth number, when she saw me, जब उस लड़की ने मुझे देखा, I dash talk to my friend, मैं अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था, right? When she saw me, I was talking to my friend. Okay. Sixth number, why does she deny your proposal? वो आपका proposal क्यों मना कर रही थी, क्यों इनकार कर रही थी? Why was she denying your proposal? Because you are not smart, right? Seventh number, why does the baby wail? W-A-I-L, wail मतलब रोना. बच्चा क्यों रो रहा था? Crying, right? Weeping. Why was the baby weeping? Why was the baby crying? Why was the baby wailing? W-A-I-L-I-N-G, right? Eighth number, when we arrived at Shimla, जब हम शिमला में पहुंचे, it was snowing heavily, बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी. When we arrived at Shimla, it was snowing what? Heavily, right? Ninth number, she does read a book when I entered her room. जब मैं उनके रूम में आया तो वो क्या कर रही थी? बुक पढ़ रही थी. Action was going on, right? She was reading, right? What that? She was reading a book when I entered her room. Okay. Next number, 10. She does have lunch when I went to meet her. जब मैं उस लड़की से मिलने गया, वो क्या कर रही थी? लंच कर रही थी, खा रही थी. She was having lunch when I went to meet her. Okay. Next number 11. पूजा डैड स्टडी व्हेन आई नॉक्ड एट अ डोर. जब मैंने नॉक किया तो पूजा क्या कर रही थी? पढ़ रही थी जब मैंने उसका दरवाजा खटखटाया. पूजा was studying when I knocked at her door. Knocked at, right? 12th number, my dad does take a bath when the telephone bell rang. जब घंटी बजी टेलीफोन तो पापा क्या कर रहे थे? टेकिंग अ बाथ, नहा रहे थे, है ना? क्या बनेंगे? My dad was taking a bath when the telephone bell rang. Number 13, all the students does make a noise when the teacher entered. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Okay. जब टीचर अंदर आए सारे बच्चे शोर मचा रहे थे. क्या बनेंगे? All the students were making a noise when the teacher entered. Were making. Okay. The children does play when I saw them. जब मैंने देखा तो बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे? खेल रहे थे, right? The children were playing. W-E-R-E. The children were playing when I saw them. Okay. Next number 15. The doctor does take lunch when the patient was dying. यार क्या कर रहे थे? Means parallel action. जब पेशेंट मरीज मर रहा था तो डॉक्टर खाना खा रहा था, right? The doctor was taking lunch when the patient was dying. बच्चा मतलब पेशेंट मर रहा था, डॉक्टर क्या कर रहा था? खा रहा था. It was very very absurd, right? So today we have done some more practice on past continuous tense. We will do some more practice in it. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Take care. Goodbye.